grab jackets. We truly got them enough. Sausage. Good morning. It's a beautiful day. Today we're wearing our shirts. We bought them last night. I don't think she realized I was getting couple shirts. She was interested in the black one and I was like, oh, I'm gonna buy the white one. We're on our way to breakfast. Oh, we're going shopping first, apparently. We've been checking out a lot of these shops that have duffel bags, backpacks. I got this fanny pack last night. Oh, this is a cute duffel bag. Let me show you. This is so cute. This tiny one. I think it's a good size. Now that we've done all our traveling, we're ready to go shopping. So we've just been looking in these shops. And since I'm bringing stuff back from Vietnam that I had here back 5 years ago, we're probably gonna eventually buy one of these big duffel bags. We already have one duffel bag that my stuff fits into, but we're gonna go shopping in Korea too. So
I kind of like these shirts.
Oh yeah,
I want one.
I actually like this color, that brown.
That brown, yeah.
The brown and the gray is actually nice. Gray looks good on you. I'm getting this cute green Patagonia sweater. Green, something like this, or gray. You have a lot of gray shirts. That looks better than the orange. Easy to match with everything. Yeah,
It's
gray.
cool because I have black already.
Yeah, gray goes with all your things. I know.
To walk around.
These are so cute. They're really comfortable. They feel very cushiony. I do want to try the smaller size just in case. We got 2 of these bags and a bunch of clothes. Only for like $136. Yes, back to the hotel.
I always wanted a bag.
Yeah, it's nice.
That's like waterproof.
Yeah. I lost my first nail. The good thing is my plan was to go get my nails done today. So it works out. We came here so she can have bun cha. I love how much garlic they give you.
She says put a lot of garlic.
Yeah. That's really good. I wish I could take all this home with me.
Then I'm not supposed to.
You're not supposed
to eat with noodle.
Oh.
It'll be easier for you.
Yeah.
Just keep dipping. There's a lot of veggies and noodles.
It's really got to my nose. It's almost poked at my nail. It's delicious. We are on our way to get my suitcase fixed. I got this suitcase in Denmark a long time ago, and the wheels are rotted. They've been sitting here in Vietnam for 5 years. We actually came to this spot. It's called Top Bag, but this one doesn't have the care facility. The one with the care facility repairs your suitcase wheels. So this one is just for purchasing suitcases, and we're going to take you to the one that repairs the wheels. So I came to this Top Bag at this location. If anyone wants to get their suitcases fixed.
So it's the bearing. It's all about the bearing. So this one is just like this.
Yeah, I want high quality. It actually rolls. Okay, I'm happy. It was 560,000, and I got 10 bags. They also sell suitcases, but I'm happy with my results. These kind of services is one of the things that I missed about Vietnam. You can get a lot of things fixed without having to completely replace them. It's more sustainable. You don't waste things, and you get to put things to use for longer that you already have. They have lots of things like shoe repair. Obviously the US has shoe repair, but it's more common to just stumble upon these things easily. I'm a happy customer. Today I'm picking up some Vietnamese learning cards from Tiếng Việt Ơi, which is a great language learning company here. Do you mind if I film?
Oh,
okay.
Oh, you're still making videos?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Say hello. I'll put all the information for your language learning in the description so that people want to learn.
Thank you. I can't believe that you're still making videos.
Yeah.
To keep it going so strong.
I know.
Here are our 6 different topics.
Mm-hmm.
We have Southern Virgins and Northern Virgin as well. So we have occupations, food, family, relationships, and feelings and emotions.
And you also sell the whole set as well, correct?
Yes. And travel is the last topic.
Okay.
This box that fit 5 boxes in here, and that would be like a very nice.
Yeah.
You know the colors are quite cute.
Yeah, I like that.
When you put 5 in here and then you open it up.
Yeah.
It's really nice. So we have these 6 topics for both Southern and Northern. Okay, so the special thing about flashcards is, it's not just about the vocabulary and the picture, because it's very common to have those two, but we have the example sentences. So you don't just learn the vocabulary, but you can kind of know how to put it in a sentence. So the flashcards are color coded as well. So for example, it really helps you with visualizing the vocabulary and remembering, because for example, on the word that ends with C will be in blue colors, and on the words that end with za will be in green colors, or things like that. Because a lot of occupation vocabulary ends with the same suffix or prefix, so it helps you remember.
Oh, that's really helpful.
Yeah.
I like that.
With the food, for example, on the spices are in the same color, on the sauces are in the same color. Protein, vegetables, so it's like dairy.
Oh, that's convenient. Yeah.
Anyway.
I'll do northern food
And travel.
and
occupation.
Is this the correct set for the north for you?
so food, family,
Yeah, that looks like
relationships, feelings and emotions. Yes, correct.
Yep.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Look at the
colors. I know.
These 2 are games. You know that traffic in Vietnam is pretty crazy, right?
Yeah.
And this is actually not our products, but it belongs to one of our students, our one of our best students. Any of the 2 cards in this set, there will be 1 picture that is the same. So can you find the identical picture?
Sad one.
And all the vocabulary in here are chosen from these sets. So you use these to learn.
Which I recognize the emotions card.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't know the first word you said, but I do know the second word. Yeah, I
You want-
recognize it. Yeah.
So these are to learn and these are to practice. So if you have these two,
We're gonna get all of it. Yeah, I think we'll get all of them.
you have to say buồn and then you.
Okay. I like that. I like that a lot.
1, 2, 3, go. So, xúc xích. Oh, you're faster because
nut.
Okay, what is nut in Vietnamese? Đậu. That's the sound, đậu phộng, right? So in the north, they say lạc.
Okay, I did not know that
I said the same thing you said.
But yeah, no,
You got it.
Oh, okay,
faster
now.
than me.
I just lost another nail. Ann and I are over here by the train station. If you want a grab jacket, which we do, it's those green jackets that the motorcycle people wear. The Uber of Vietnam is called Grab. They wear these green jackets, and I told Ann there's a place to buy them, and we were driving by the other day and she said she saw this. We decided to come back and we're gonna go buy Grab jackets. It's gonna be our souvenir for Vietnam. I told her to go scope out the area and then I'll come so that they don't give her the foreign price. I said, you go check it out, you ask about the prices and then flag me down and I'll come so that they don't give us a higher price. This is the newer version. This one has the Vietnamese flag. Grab jackets. And then there's the older one. And that one has gray, which I think I like the gray. So this is the newer one. This one is the older one. I like the gray. I feel like it's a nice touch. Hi, cuties. Hi. We came back to this shop that we found. I think we found it like on day 1 or 2. And we are shopping for pans. These are Japanese style and they're so cute.
bánh tráng tròn, but it's not not crispy.
Oh no. I wanted to come back to this banh mi shop to try some of her other banh mi's, and I got this one. This is number 19. It's a soy protein meat and vegetables, and it's a spicy one. And yes, I travel with my own sriracha.
That's such a good idea.
Yeah. Mang về anh. Oh, this is so good. Jackfruit.
Yogurt. And
The
some
yogurt
jelly.
is so good. It's not like yogurt you get in the US. It's like the perfect amount of sweetness. It's not tangy or tart. It's perfect. And this jackfruit, you have to try it. It feels really good to leave Vietnam with all the chapters closed that I came with, because I intended to come here because I originally had a lot of things that I needed to sort out. I had a motorbike here still from 5 years ago when I left, and clothing that my friend was keeping for me, because when I left Vietnam I wasn't planning to completely leave. I was planning to just go visit family, but I decided to stay. I'm actually really glad and happy for my decision to stay in the US, because now I'm living my dream with my dream job. But it's been really refreshing to come back here and feel like it's home, but also to close out all the things that I need to take care of here. So leave feeling free. Goodbye, Vietnam.